Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20840, good running Yale GLC060. It's a 6,000 pound Christian tire forklift. This unit is equipped with a 127 inch 2-stage mast. It's equipped with a desirable side shift carriage. It's got an awesome running Chrysler 6-cylinder LP gas engine, automatic transmission, 42-inch forks. Wade's going to run it up for us. Unit has excellent smooth cushion tires, plus recent repairs, new PM service, plus a new paint job. This unit is ready for work. It's a great starter forklift as well. You can check out this unit online at betterforklift.com or at the store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you much.